To integrate Shopify with Squarespace, you will need to create a Shopify account and a Squarespace account. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to the Pages section. Click on the Add Page button and select the Commerce option. Then click on the Connect to Shopify button. You will be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Enter the URL and click Connect. You will then be redirected to Shopify to authorize the connection. Click the Authorize button to complete the connection process. Once connected, you can add Shopify products to your Squarespace page. To do this, navigate to the Pages section and click on the Add Block button. Select the Commerce option and then click on the Products block. You can then select the products you want to display from your Shopify store. You can customize the display of your products by using the various options available in the block. Settings. You can also use the Category block to display products from a specific category in your Shopify store. To manage your Shopify orders and customers from within Squarespace, navigate to the Commerce section. Here you can view and manage your orders, customers, and products. You can also use the Analytics section to track sales and customer behavior. Best practices for integrating Shopify with Squarespace include ensuring that your Shopify store and Squarespace site are properly connected and synced. You should also regularly review and update your product information to ensure that it is accurate and consistent across both platforms. Additionally, you should use the various customization options available in Squarespace to create a seamless and integrated shopping experience for your customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Shopify with Squarespace and create a powerful e-commerce platform for your business.